Hello and welcome back. Today's practice is all about one powerful skill, telling your story in English. If you've ever wanted to talk about your past, your life experiences, or the lessons you've learned, but you didn't know how to say it clearly in English, then this lesson is for you. In this shadowing practice, we will focus on 3 kinds of sentences. These are very common for intermediate learners. The first is past stories, what happened in the past. The second is life experiences, what you have done in your life. And the third is regrets and lessons, what you wish you had done differently. These are the sentences you use when you make friends, when you talk in class, when you speak in interviews, and when you share your real life in English. It's all about making connections with people. I will speak at a natural speed and say each sentence 2 times. During the pauses, repeat after me out loud. Sit up straight, or if you are walking, stand tall. Your goal is not to be perfect, but to feel fluent, to hear yourself speaking, and to feel comfortable using these sentences. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. In this section, you will practice sentences about the past. You can use these in small talk, in class, in interviews, or anytime someone asks what happened. Repeat after me. Last year, I decided to change something in my life. Last year, I decided to change something in my life. I felt stuck, so I started learning English more seriously. I felt stuck, so I started learning English more seriously. I watched a lot of videos, but I didn't speak very much. I watched a lot of videos, but I didn't speak very much. At first, I was afraid to open my mouth and make mistakes. At first, I was afraid to open my mouth and make mistakes. One day, I found a shadowing video and tried it. One day, I found a shadowing video and tried it. I repeated the sentences and felt strange but excited. After a few days, I noticed that speaking became easier. A few weeks later, I understood more in conversations. I joined a small online group and practiced with other learners. At first, my hands were shaking when I introduced myself. Slowly, I became more relaxed every time we met. I started to enjoy sharing my ideas in English. One day, my teacher asked me to explain my opinion. Amazing work! You have just completed a full storytelling shadowing session. You didn't just repeat sentences, you practiced talking about your past, your experiences, and your life lessons. This is real English. This is how people connect. Remember, your English does not have to be perfect. Your story does not have to be perfect. You just need to communicate clearly. So keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep sharing your story. You can repeat this lesson again to build confidence and fluency. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. I'll see you in the next session.